Chips chicken skewers.
$250 of chicken pieces. Salt as per taste. Half tsp of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half tsp of garam masala powder. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. 1 egg white. Pinch of red food color. 1 lemon juice. 1 potato cut potato chips. Take a mixing bowl and add chicken pieces. Add salt and turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add black pepper powder. Add garam masala powder. Add corn flour. Add lemon juice. Add egg white. Give a mix. Add food color. Mix well. Marinate and leave for half an hour. Take a skewer and arrange potato chips and chicken pieces. Chips chicken skewers are arranged well and ready for frying. Heat oil and leave skewers in oil. Fry on medium flame. Flip and fry until they turn into golden brown. Chips and chicken are fried well. Remove them. Crispy skewers are done. Fry remaining skewers. Crispy and tasty chips chicken skewers are ready to serve. Do try this unique and tasty snacks in Ramzan. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.